Hello. Welcome back to our English learning family. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy to see you again.
Today, we are talking about the weather, the seasons, and what we do and where during the year.
This is very useful for your daily English. But first, please like this video and subscribe. It helps our channel grow.
Ready? Alice, let's start with the first season. First is spring. The weather is warm and breezy.
In spring, I don't need a big heavy coat. I usually wear a light jacket or a cardigan.
Yes, and maybe some sneakers because the weather is good for walking.
What do people do in spring, David?
Well, it is the perfect time for gardening. People plant flowers and seeds. Alice. I also love having a picnic in the park. The grass is so green. Now, let's talk about the hot summer. It is very sunny.
Oh, I change my clothes completely. I wear t-shirts, shorts, and sandals.
Don't forget your hat and sunglasses, Alice. The sun is very strong.
And if I go to the beach, I wear a swimsuit.
What is your favorite summer activity?
I love swimming. It keeps me cool when it is boiling outside.
I like eating ice cream and going for a road trip with my friends.
Let's practice. I wear sunglasses in the summer.
Let's go swimming at the beach.
Next is autumn, or fall. The weather is cool and windy.
This is my favorite time for fashion. I wear a sweater and boots.
Yes, and sometimes a scarf if the wind is cold. It's very cozy.
What do people do in autumn?
Many people like to go hiking. The mountains look beautiful with the orange and red leaves.
And children love jumping in piles of leaves. Ha ha ha, it's a bit messy, but fun.
Let's practice. I am wearing a cozy sweater.
The leaves are falling from the trees. Finally, we have winter. It is freezing and sometimes snowy.
Brr, I have to wear many clothes. A heavy coat, gloves, a woolen hat, and a scarf.
You look like a bear, Alice. Ha ha ha.
Hee hee, yes, but I am a warm bear.
In winter, many people like skiing or ice skating.
But I prefer staying inside. My favorite activity is drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace.
That sounds lovely.
Let's practice. It is freezing outside.
I wear gloves to keep my hands warm. Okay, friends, let's see if you remember.
I will say an activity, and you tell me the season.
I am wearing a swimsuit and sunglasses. Which season is it?
It is summer.
Correct. Next, I am planting flowers and wearing a light jacket.
That is spring.
Well done. Last one. I am drinking hot chocolate and wearing a heavy coat.
That must be winter.
You did a great job today. Now you know how to talk about seasons, clothes, and activities.
We have a question for you. What do you like to wear when it is rainy?
Tell us in the comments. Do you use an umbrella or a raincoat?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share this video with a friend who is learning English.
See you in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.